Want to know where to put your money first after getting paid in 2025 to make sure you're building wealth and protecting your future? Stick around because I'm about to break down the step-by-step strategy that can transform your finances. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the most crucial step in personal finance, where to put your money first after you get paid. If you're like most people, managing your money after payday can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple system to get your finances on track for 2025 and beyond. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap of what to do with your paycheck, starting today. Let's dive in. First things first, your checking account. Now this isn't where you park your entire paycheck. You should only keep enough in there to cover 2 months of expenses. No more, no less. Why? Because the money in your checking account isn't earning you anything and you don't want it sitting there doing nothing. Keep it simple, 2 months of bills and that's it. Once your checking account is set, let's move on to the next step. Next up, your emergency fund. The rule of thumb is to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses, but don't panic. Start small. Put $500 into a high-yield savings account to kick things off. That's your safety net for unexpected expenses like car repairs, medical bills, or job loss. If you don't have an emergency fund yet, this is your priority. Set a goal to build it over the next few months. Now, let's talk retirement, specifically your 401k. If your employer offers a match, contribute enough to get that match. It's free money, so don't leave it on the table. Remember, the 401k is a long-term play, so you'll want to keep adding to it over time. Next, you're going to want to open a Roth IRA. A Roth IRA is an amazing tool for building wealth because your investments grow tax-free, and when you retire, you can withdraw your money tax-free too. I recommend using platforms like Fidelity, Schwab, or Vanguard. They all offer great Roth IRA options with low fees. Start by investing about $500 a month in a low-cost S&P 500 index fund like SPY VOIV or SPLG. These funds are a smart, long-term way to grow your wealth, and they track the performance of the 500 largest U.S. companies. Once you've got your Roth IRA set up, it's time to open a taxable brokerage account. Why? Because the more you invest, the more you need to be in the market. A brokerage account gives you more flexibility to invest beyond retirement accounts, and you can still grow your money over time. Keep investing in a similar way as the Roth IRA, using low-cost S&P 500 index funds. This is where your investments can really start to multiply. So, to recap, here's where you should put your money first after getting paid in 2025. Your checking account, just enough for 2 months of expenses. Your emergency fund, start with $500. Your 401k, max out the match. Your Roth IRA. Invest $500 a month in S&P 500 index funds. Your taxable brokerage account, keep growing your wealth beyond retirement. If you follow these steps, you'll be well on your way to financial freedom. Now, I want to hear from you. What's the first financial move you're going to make after getting paid this month? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on tips that could change your financial future. Let's build wealth together in 2025.